The topic of enough placement teaches how to use the word enough correctly in sentences. Enough can be used with nouns, adjectives, and adverbs, and its position in a sentence changes depending on what it modifies. Use enough before a noun to show you have enough quantity of something. For example, you say, "I have enough money." When enough is used with an adjective, place it after the adjective. For example, she is old enough. This means she has reached the age required. The rule is simple. Enough comes before a noun and after an adjective or adverb. This placement shows whether enough affects the amount of something or the quality. For example, "I have enough gifts" means sufficient quantity, while "she is tall enough" means she meets the quality or degree. Here are some examples of enough with nouns. I have enough time to finish my work. Do you have enough money to buy that? There isn't enough water in the bottle. We need enough chairs for all the guests. Notice how enough comes before the nouns time, money, water, and chairs. Examples of adjective plus enough include: she is old enough to vote, the room is big enough for us, he didn't run fast enough, and is it warm enough outside? In all of these, enough comes after the adjective to show sufficiency of quality or degree. When enough modifies an adverb, it also comes after it. For example, "I didn't arrive early enough, she didn't speak loud enough, he didn't work hard enough, and they reacted quickly enough." This rule helps speak clearly about the degree of actions. Common mistakes happen when enough is placed wrongly. Saying "money enough" or "enough tall" are incorrect. The correct forms are "enough money" and "tall enough." Remember, enough always goes before nouns, but after adjectives and adverbs. Enough means as much as necessary. It changes position based on what it modifies. It is placed before a noun to show enough quantity, after an adjective or adverb to show enough quality or degree, and often at the end of a sentence when used with verbs. Correct position of enough is important for clear and correct sentences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.